Hey guys, so while I was preparing for boards and posting updates on my stories, बस पूछो मत, किसी को स्टोरी से मतलब नहीं था. सब मेरे डीएम्स में आ चुके थे कि ये नोट्स बनाए कैसे. एंड हियर आई एम बैक विद अनदर मेजरली रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू एक्चुअली मेक यूजफुल येट एस्थेटिक नोट्स. ऑल्सो बिफोर यू आस्क कि ये नोट्स एस्थेटिक बनाने ही क्यों हैं, मेरे से मत पूछो, इनसे पूछो जिन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट करी थी ये वीडियो मेरे पोल पर. I just wanted them to be neat and to the point with keywords so that I can actually understand the concept. That was literally my one and only motive for making notes, so I'm not quite sure how I ended up getting so many requests for this video, but I did come up with a few pointers for you guys and hopefully they help you. So let's just get started. So the one and only difference to make your notes look pretty is to literally use two different colored pens. Now I'm not saying to use black and blue वरना वो एकदम school notebook की तरह दिखेगा and we don't want that. So what I generally do is take my favorite color, in my case pink, for the headings and subheadings, and then use black or a blue pen for the content inside. Just by using two different colored pens, you can change the whole look of your notes. So if you're doing this, then half your job is done in making your notes look pretty. So now let's talk about what are notes. Now एक तो नोटबुक का काम होता है, दूसरा होता है सेल्फ स्टडी प्रिपरेशन वाले नोट्स. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर ओन पर्सनल नोट्स दैट वी मेक एट होम. एंड आई नो कि बहुत बर्डन हो जाता है, स्कूल का काम भी करना है, खुद के भी नोट्स बनाने हैं, बट आई हैव अ सोल्यूशन फॉर यू. Only make notes for those topics that you have difficulty in understanding, because the notes are there for you to look and understand it within a minute, not कि जो book में लिखा है वही सब टेप दो. So first understand the topic, get clarity from the teacher, mark down the important keywords, because now you're clear in your head that okay, this is the main heading and then under this these are all the subheadings, ये सारे इसके types हैं, and then you can write the keywords or one or two explanation points for each subheading, and this way it just makes it so much easier for you to understand maybe 2-3 pages worth of content in just one single flowchart, and it makes your life so much easier. So now I'm going to be talking about how to make the regular notes. And now that I'm in college, I can't just sit around and make flowcharts. I need to quickly make notes in class itself while the professor is teaching. And to be honest, our professors provide us with the PPTs, but they only provide it after a completion of a unit. So I prefer to make notes as we go along so that I can revise for the next day. So the same points apply to making normal notes. Make sure to understand the concept and avoid writing long unnecessary paragraphs. And the key to keeping your notes neat, clean and aesthetic is to maintain a specific handwriting, keep proper spacing, and to be honest, it doesn't even matter because at the end of the day, you should be able to understand your own notes, not anybody else. But you know, some people like their notes to be aesthetic, like me. And if you made it this far into the video, I got a lot of requests asking how I made my title. So I was like, okay, why not? So here's a little clip of me showing how I make the titles.
Oh, I don't mind a little rain on my suit. A little bit of angry makes you cute. We've been watching this show so long, but it feels like everything that we wrote went back into the pen we used.